Trying something a little different this time. You guys are on my in-car cam right now. I've got a camera in my car that automatically turns on every time I start the car, just for you know, insurance reasons, and just in case I see some behavior that needs evidence of some sort for whatever reason. So I figured I'll use this. Quality might not be there, but that's fine. I'll use this as a little bit of an intro here. Just pulling into Old Refinery Park right now. We've got a trail run orchestrated by Lyle, Damn Camera, RC Athletes, however you want to call him, and he's putting on a barbecue at the park here, so gonna go check it out. It's supposed to be a pretty healthy turnout. We'll see how many guys we got when we pull into the lot here. Just around this bend and we'll be in the lot and on our way. Looks like a decent turnout. At least a dozen or so. Let's go play with our toy trucks. Here we are out at ORP. Haven't counted the trucks yet. Looks like about a dozen. There's Joe. All the usual suspects. Lyle. Kyle, Penguin's in there.
For braking system on this. This is Terry's idea, guys.
Just don't stop.
Okay. Going downhill.
Run faster. What you doing, Lyle? What's going on there?
Well, you got a couple snacks there ready for you, and the burgers are just beginning. They shall be good.
Trying to push me into the river or something. This is get down. That's been really right. Hey, did anybody do the side hill, no? What? Oh no.
Land right on top of Ted's.
Yep, he's gonna.
Nice.
Oh, is there a way up, Ted?
No.
Oh, no, dude. Just where Ted is.
Ready?
Just
Yep.
by throw, yeah.
Whoa. Hold on, let me correct that.
Okay, I'll back up the hill. Okay.
There you go.
Thanks, brother.
Throw the mud at him. Floor it. There it is. There it is.
You got something in my face. How come I say that all the time?
I got excited. Sorry, Teddy.
Try and help him out.
Almost so close, Lyle. So close.
That was a huge bump at the end.
That thing sounds like a diesel.
I thought you were going to push him down, dude.
I was just trying to block the shot.
Yeah, it sounds like it.
That would have worked too. Probably would have crawled right over me. That thing's awesome. It's worm gear. It's awesome. That's a fucking diesel. It's a
That's
diesel.
the first diesel RC I've ever seen.
Nice.
It's just rock.
Last time we were at River Trail, me and Sean tried to cross the river, and god damn it, it didn't work. So I wandered out and made the rescue, man. It was pretty dicey.
How deep did you have to go?
I didn't. I went almost across the goddamn span of the.
Oh, side rollover.
I'm sure you had a rollover. Yeah.
I'm gonna, don't worry.
They get you?
Very confident. No, I don't think so. Come on, Joe, roll it.
Oh, don't worry. Give me a moment, I will.
A little bit, yeah. Okay.
There it is. Punch it!
Hey, where'd this trailer come
It's gonna take long.
Yeah.
Holy
I hate
shit.
when that drives. I don't hate it. It's just
That's the skill there.
not as quick
Wow.
as.
One-handed.
What you doing, Ted?
Trying to get my body
Did you break your truck?
No, I almost lost my body clip though. We don't want to go there again. Whose is this beast?